श्रीराम समर्थ श्रीराम. दशक चौथा नवविधा भक्ती. समास आठवा सख्य भक्ती.
Dashak 4 Ninefold Devotion. Chapter 8 Friendliness. Ram.
मागा झाले निरूपण सातवे भक्तीचे लक्षण. आता ऐका सावधान आठवी भक्ती.
In the last chapter, we have considered the seventh type of devotion. Now, please listen with attention to the description of the eighth type of devotion.
देवासी परमसख्य करावे, प्रेम प्रीतीने बांधावे. आठवे भक्तीचे जाणावे, लक्षणाईसे.
We should have such friendship with God that He would be tied to us by the firm thread of love. This is the main sign of the eighth type of devotion.
देवास जयाची अत्यंत प्रीती, आपण वर्णावे तेणे रीती. येणे करिता भगवंती, सख्य घडे नेमस्त.
We should behave in such a way only as is liked by God. By this, there will be definite friendship with God.
भक्तिभाव आणि भजन, निरूपण आणि कथा कीर्तन. प्रेमळ भक्तांचे गायन, आवडे देवा.
God likes devotion, faith, singing of His songs, talks about His lifetime work, telling stories about His adventures, and hymns sung by His loving devotees.
आपण तैसेची वर्तावे, आपणासी तेच आवडावे. मनासारिखे होता स्वभावे, सख्य घडे नेमस्त.
So, we should do these things only, and our liking should be for these things. When all things of His likings are done, naturally there will be friendship with Him.
देवाच्या सख्यत्वा कारणे, आपले सौख्य सोडून देणे. अनन्य भावे जीवे प्राणे, शरीर तेही वेचावे.
For God's friendship, we should let go of our comfort, and being loyal, we should love Him with all our heart and soul, even at the cost of our own life.
सांडून आपली संसार व्यथा, करीत जावी देवाची चिंता. निरूपण कीर्तन कथा वार्ता, देवाच्याची सांगाव्या.
By leaving our worries about our own family lives, we should care only for God, and we should tell the stories and adventures of God alone.
देवाच्या सख्यत्वासाठी, पडाव्या जीवलगासी तुटी. सर्व अर्पावे सेवटी, प्राण तोही वेचावा.
For the sake of God, we may have estrangement with our own dear ones, and we should offer everything to God and even our life itself.
आपुले आवघेची जावे, परी देवासी सख्य रहावे. ऐसी प्रीती जेवे भावे, भगवंती लागावी.
We should be ready to let go of all of our possessions, but there should be love and intimate friendship with God. We should love God with such an ardent devotion.
देव महिजे आपुला प्राण, प्राणासी न करावे निर्वाण. परम प्रीतीचे लक्षण, ते हे ऐसे असे.
God is our entire life. Our life should not be hurt in any way. This is the sign of deep love for Him.
ऐसे परम सख्य धरिता, देवास लागे भक्ताची चिंता. पांडव लाखा जोहरी जळता, विवरद्वारे काढिले.
When we have such deep abiding friendship to God, God Himself becomes concerned about the welfare of us, His devotees. When Pandavas were saved from the burning house of Lakar by Him, He guided them through a tunnel.
देव सख्यत्वे राहे आपणासी, ते तो वर्म आपणाची पासी. आपण वचने बोलावी जैसी, तैसी येती पडसादे.
When we wish that God should be friendly with us, it is our own responsibility to make that happen. As we speak, there is echo exactly similar to it.
आपण असता अनन्य भावे, देव तत्काळची पावे. आपण त्रास घेता जीवे, देवही त्रासे. ये यथा मां प्रपद्यन्ते, तांस्तथैव भजाम्यहम्.
When we are loyal to God, He is immediately pleased. But if we trouble ourselves, He is also troubled.
जैसे जयाचे भजन, तैसाची देवही आपण. म्हणून हे अवघे जाण, आपणाची पासी.
As is the way of devotion of the devotee, so is God to him. Therefore, every responsibility lies with us.
आपुल्या मनासारखे न घडे, तेने गुणे निष्ठा मोडे. करी गोष्टी आपणाकडे, सहजची आली.
If our desire is not fulfilled, our faith falters. So it all depends on us. Let us not let that happen.
मेघ चातकावरी वोळेना, तरी चातक पालटेना. चंद्र वेळेसी उगवेना, तरी चकोर अनन्य.
If the cloud does not come for bird Chatak, that bird will not go elsewhere for water. If moon will not rise on time, the bird Chakor will not go away. It will be waiting for the moon only.
ऐसे असावे सख्यत्व, विवेके धरावे सत्व. भगवंतावरील ममत्व, सांडूची नये.
Our friendship should be like this. By discrimination, we should abide by the Tattva quality. We should never let go of our love for God.
सखा मानावा भगवंत, माता पिता गणगोत. विद्या लक्ष्मी धनवित्त, सकळ परमात्मा.
We should take him to be our friend, our mother, father, relatives, education, riches, money, everything should be placed in God only.
देवा वेगळे कोणी नाही, ऐसे बोलती सर्वही. परंतु त्यांची निष्ठा काही, तैसीच नसे.
All announce or say that there is nobody else except God, but their loyalty and faith is not always like that.
म्हणून ऐसे न करावे, सख्य तरी खरेची करावे. अंतरी सदृढ धरावे, परमेश्वरासी.
We should not have such hypocrisy. Our friendship should be true. We should hold in our heart God with all the real devotion.
आपुलिया मनोगता कारणे, देवावरी क्रोधास येणे. ऐसी नव्हेत की लक्षणे, सख्य भक्तीची.
In the devotion of friendship, there is no place for getting angry with God when our desires are not fulfilled.
देवाचे जे मनोगत, तेचे आपुले उचित. इच्छेसाठी भगवंत, अंतरू नये की.
Whatever is the will of God should be our will as well. There should not be estrangement with God because of our desires.
देवाचे इच्छेने वर्तावे, देव करील ते मानावे. मग सहजची स्वभावे, कृपाळू देव.
We should do everything according to His will. We should accept what God wills and does. Then naturally God will be kind to us.
पाहता देवाचे कृपेसी, मातेची कृपा काळेसी. मातावधी बाळकासी, विपत्ती काळी.
Compared to the blessings of God, the love of a mother is not equal to it. Because in great calamity, the mother may even kill her child.
देवे भक्त कोण वधिला, कधी देखिला ना ऐकिला. शरणागतास देव जाला, वज्र पंजरू.
Nobody has ever heard or seen a devotee killed by his God. God has become protecting armor to the devotees who take refuge at his feet.
देव भक्तांचा कैवारी, देव पतितांसी तारी. देव होये सहाकारी, अनाथांचा.
God is the protector of devotees. God saves even sinners. God becomes the companion of destitute.
देव अनाथांचा कैपक्षी, नाना संकटापासून रक्षी, धावांनला अंतरसाक्षी, गजेंद्राकारणे.
God is the helper of the forlorn and protects them from many calamities. For the elephant caught by a crocodile, he came to help. He really knows the inner hearts of all.
देव कृपेचा सागरू, देव करुणेचा जळधरू, देवासी भक्तांचा विसरू पडणार नाही.
God is the ocean of grace. God is the cloud of compassion. God will never forget his devotees.
देव प्रीती राखो जाणे, देवासी करावे साजणे, जीवलगे आवघी पिसुणे, कामा न येती.
God knows how to keep love alive. So we should make God our beloved. Our relatives are only selfish. They will not always help in our needs.
सख्य देवाचे तुटेना, प्रीती देवाची विटेना, देव कदा पालटेना, शरणागतासी.
Friendship with God is never lost. Love which God has for his devotees never wanes. God never turns away from those who have surrendered to him.
म्हणून सख्य देवासी करावे, हितगुज तयासी सांगावे, आठवे भक्तीचे जाणावे, लक्षणाईसे.
Therefore, friendship should be with God. Our heart should be open to him and him alone. This is the quality of the eighth type of devotion.
जैसा देव तैसा गुरु, शास्त्री बोलिला हा विचारू, म्हणून सख्यत्वाचा प्रकारू, सद्गुरुसी असावा.
As is God, so also is the Sadguru, or a good teacher. This is specifically mentioned in our scriptures. Therefore, our friendship should be with our Sadguru also.
इति श्री दासबोधे गुरु शिष्य संवादे सख्य भक्ती निरूपण नाम समास 8वा श्रीराम.
Thus, in the fourth dashak of Dasbodh, in the dialogue between the Guru and the disciple, this eighth chapter, by name Friendliness, is completed here. Shri Ram, Samartha Shri Ram.